Make passport size photo for free. Open photo. Now firstly remove its background and then make its background white. Now open Photos Cape X. You can download it from Microsoft Store. Open Photos Cape X and drop white background photo here. Click on crop and select custom, then choose width and height in ratio of 35 and 45. Now select the area and adjust it according to your need. Now click on crop. And then click on insert and select white box. Make a rectangular box and adjust it in bottom of photo. Now click on text button and then rename the text and follow the procedure. Now click on save button and then select save as. Now open again Photos Cape X and click on print button. Now select passport photo and follow procedure. Now click on print button and select printer Microsoft Print to PDF and then follow rest of procedure. Now your passport photos are ready. Hope you like it and thanks for watching.